the Ribinator. Oh my God. Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Review Club. In my hands, I've got an absolute weapon of a DIY kit. This is the Ribinator. We even did a press conference pre-video yesterday about my excitement for this particular product. We're gonna get into it, make it, eat it, chow down and enjoy the food. But before we do that, we've got a video sponsor. Amicus Insurance Solutions, a major sponsor of our fantastic page, and we could not do it without them. So if you're running a fleet of vehicles, contracts, 3 or more, from concrete lorries, skip lorries, diggers, you name it, putting up scaffolding, erection specialists, a few of you out there, I know, give them a call. There's the logo down there, the link to the website in the comments below. Thank you, Amicus, for looking after me and the page. Now, the Ribinator, what is it? We all love a rib sandwich. Rustlers do a really bad version. McDonald's used to do a not great version, but Tom Griffiths from Flank has come up with this. And I don't actually think I've been more excited about a product ever. This DIY kit is £25. You can make 2. So quick maths, £12.5 each. I don't think that's bad. Now, rather than me butcher the concept, what I've got on me, I'm going to read out. I said to him, mate, like, can you help me out here a little bit? He's actually sent this over to me. So the Ribinator, this meat is using rare breed pork, shoulder, a little bit of shoulder, belly rib, hocks cooked over wood for 14 hours and then compressed into these like slab chunks. Hand picked and pressed and glazed in bacon fat. Oh my God. 2 sauces, smoky ketchup and Korean barbecue. He's got 2 huge flavours, but my word, do they go. House-made pickles, marinated to weeks prior, on a brioche sub with puffed cayenne and, I put my phone away before I read the last bit, and onions. Oh my goodness. That's that, puffed cayenne and onions. My pickles, my Korean barbecue, smoky ketchup. It's time. Let's go and cook it and see how I get on. Fairly easy process. You've got to brown off the meat, put it in the oven, prepare, let's go. Should we film the bit of cooking or no? Should we click fingers again? Right, I'm going to come out here and eat. I can't click my left hand. Ready? DIY kit special, here we go. 3, 2, 1. We've done it. It was a battle, but we got there. Come and have a look. So there we have it. I've left one on this side open so you can see all of the intricacies and the details on top. This is not normal food. Oh my God. So basically I've got a brick of my rib, my compressed rib from rare breed pork, shoulder, hock, mainly rib, all pressed in together, compressed on a brioche toasted bun, smoky ketchup, Korean barbecue, is that right, Jess?
Yeah.
Pickles on top, puffed rice, onions. Get in the comments and let me know what you think.
This one's falling apart a little bit.
Yeah, my one is falling apart. Here we go. Let's just try and. It's just yeah. Could you hold that, Jess? Well, I'm just gonna have to like try and dive in here, aren't I? Here we go.
It's all over your hands.
Is it already? Here we go. I'm gonna dive in to the rib. The Ribinator. Oh my God. I knew it would happen. I think that's the most special piece of food I think I've ever put in my mouth. Jess, I've got like goosebumps.
Really?
That's... Can you play some music? That's romantic. Wow. I hyped this up in my mind. Can I have a look at this, little Jess? Can I have a look at this one? I've browned this meat off, but it's like, you know, rib meat. It's got its own unique flavour. You guys know how much I love rib meat. I don't know how they've done this. This is like voodoo magic, black magic, like. Have a look. We've got like these gnarly crispy bits on there. The sauces absolutely harmonise. I've got my smoky ketchup underneath. This like sweet tang Korean barbecue on top, and I've got this puffed rice texture on top with the pickles that cut through with that acidity on a sweet brioche. I don't think you can find a better sub, better McRib anywhere in this galaxy.
And you made it yourself?
And I made it myself. I'll say that, yeah. We put it together. We assembled it. I can't... This sort of food. I actually got a tear in my eye. This is why we do the page. Do you know what? Tom sent me this. I didn't pay for it. It's not a paid promotion. I just got sent it to me. And what a privilege that is to even be considered throwing my hat in the mix. Someone that could do this justice on a platform like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, wherever else we decide to put it. Maybe even on TikTok. This is quite simply remarkable. It's a DIY box. A DIY box, do it yourself. But obviously they've done all the real hard work. I've never had anything like it. It shouldn't be, if I got it all over my face. It shouldn't be possible. Can I come and look at this pork, look? It's like butter soft. The Ribinator, look, it's butter soft. With caramelised bits on the outside where I browned it off in the pan. It's got hold, it's got taste, but it still melts in your mouth. It's super juicy. There's some like bigger bits of meat in there as well. Hell's bells. I was gonna eat literally gonna eat the whole thing on camera, you guys, like. Oh. I've never ever put anything in my mouth like that before. Look at it. Anyone doubting me right now, look at it. Look at this. Even the brioche roll is like awesome. Hell. Relatively simple. Wasn't it quite simple just to make?
Yeah.
2 slabs, brown them off each side, chuck it in the oven for 10 minutes, put it together and eat. Bravo. Now, obviously this is going to be a super big score. What's the time check, Jess?
5 minutes.
Alright, cool. We've obviously got a bit before as well. You know when you bite into something, there's this magic about some foods, some places, sometimes, that very rarely comes around. Very rarely. That instantly got me. It started sparking electrons in my brain. Incredible. It's like romantic, delicious, filling, rich, but at the same time relaxing. It's just everything that food should be. I'm so excited right now. Oh my God. I'm going to give this a score. Now, I need to give this a score. Where am I going to go with this? This is...
DIY box score.
DIY... I think this should compete on any level, Jess. I'm telling you and everyone else now, if they were serving that from a hatch, from a container, and on a estate, I'll give it the same score. Let alone the fact I've done it myself from a DIY box. Oh, just... Amicus, you pick. I knew this would be a good one for you. 25. Let's think about this. Let's start to break this down. I'll stop talking with my heart. £25 for a box. I believe this is the best thing I've ever had in my mouth. Ever. Simple. Ever.
Really?
Yes. I love rib meat, Jess.
Yeah.
I used to love the McRib or whatever it was at McDonald's back in the day. The rib barbecue flavour, it gets me. Talks to my insides. This is a 10 out of 10. I gave one out the other week, and it's not the sort of thing we give out like candy. It's not the sort of thing you just flippantly give them away. I strictly reserve my 10 out of 10s for the elite. Not only for the elite, for the special. They're out of this stratosphere. The special. The Mother Teresas, the Popes, the Nelson Mandelas. These are 10 out of 10 people, yeah? You know, once in a lifetime stuff. That is fucking amazing. 10 out of chuffing 10, and I'll stand by it all day long. That is fabulous. Bravo to everyone involved in putting this together, for me and other foodies out there that want to get involved. This is sensational. I need to go and have a sit down. There's been an accident in my trousers. I'm not even going to do a drink watch, I don't care. It's over. How can it even get better than this? The amount of depth they've gone into to make this is beyond me. That piece of meat is special. The thought, the process, even the branding, the Ribinator, 80s vibes, classics, techno, fabulous. Please get in the comments now, give it a share, just for the love of food. Give it a share, please. Get in the comments and let me know what you think about this. I don't even know if you can order them. Can you order them? Are they available? If there isn't a link, I'll put it in the comments, but they'll be sold out probably. No doubt they're already pre-sold out, I don't even know. If you get one, good luck. And congratulations. Thanks for watching, everyone. That's mad. I knew it would be good. I wasn't expecting to do that good. Fucking hell, another 10 out of 10. That's special. Thanks for watching, everyone. Really appreciate you guys and your time. That was a good video, I enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, everyone. And that was a Ribinator review.